Hey, welcome to NaturalFunnels. To get started, when you log in, this is the screen that you're going to see. Is launch board, just a navigation. This is the dashboard. This one here, you can customize it as you want, but this is going to start showing you your opportunities, your value, your conversion rate, all sorts of from tasks to actions to where all your leads are coming from. So this is the dashboard. This is one that's going to open up normally, and it will have all of your information at the thing. Conversations. This is where your conversations with your clients happen, from emails to Facebook to TikTok to any of those types of contacts and conversations are going to show up in here. Calendars. This is where we're going to see all your calendars you set up. Um, any new ones, any group appointments, any of those there are calendars. Under appointments is where this calendars is a graphical view. Appointments would be a list. This is going to be where all your contacts are, your smart list, your filters. Um, this is where you'll be able to restore people you accidentally delete, any upcoming tasks, companies you manage, so on and so forth. Under opportunities, opportunities of pipeline. Pipeline is where you build out your business flow, and opportunities are going to be people inside that business flow. Under payments, this is where you're going to do your invoices, your proposals, your estimates. This is where you're going to create your products, any coupons. You can set up your settings here for your receipts and your taxes. All that type of stuff will go there. Marketing, this is where you're going to get your social, your email, your template, and your trigger links. Under automations, this is where all the magic happens. This is where we build out all of the workflows that will have your stuff automatically to send emails, book appointments, calendar reminders, any of that type of stuff here we'll add there. Content AI is also in here. This is just any, if you ever used any of the AI marketing stuff, you'll find those here under the different categories or whatnot. Sites. This is where you're going to have your funnels, your websites, your blogs. If you have a WordPress site you want to migrate in, that's what this is. This is where we're going to build the client portal for your clients that what they're going to see when they log in. This is going to build out your forms, your survey, and you're going to be able to customize that chat widget on the bottom. And then along with this is your media library and any URL directs. Memberships. This is where you're going to build out your courses, your membership areas, any of that type of stuff will be in here. You can set up communities. Reputation. This is where we're going to manage your Facebook reputation, your Google reputation. All those reputations and stuff will be set in here. Reporting. This is where we're going to start doing your Google, Facebook reports, attribution reports. How many calls you got. What agents are doing, what, you can see how those are going in the appointments here. Okay, so those are the main navigation there. Under settings, this is where you're going to start off here. You're going to start with your business profile. You're going to come in here, you're going to add your logo, your legal names, your physical address, and all your business information here. Let me check this. We want to merge contacts by name. Oh, this is even your account. This is the demo account, not by me. You'll want to turn on that one. You want to turn on this one. And then those don't necessarily need those ones. We don't want to do anything there. And then if you want text callback, you can. So you're going to come in here and you're going to fill out this information. I make sure you save it when you finish it. Company billing, this is where we're going to update your credit card, any of that type of stuff will be under there. My staff, this is where you're going to add all your team members, your staff members in here. The pipelines we saw on the other screen. Calendars, we'll actually skip this one for now. Email services. This is where we're going to come in. So come in here, do your business profile. Then jump down here to email services, and we're going to do your own domain and IP. No, it's going to be your own domain, and you don't need an IP. You're just going to click this here, and we're going to do it. Add your domain. You click add domain, and then you go ahead and type in your domain name, and it's going to give you the entries that you need to set up. That way you can email under your domain. Then you're going to come on to phone numbers, and again, toll-free numbers are going to be quicker to get started with. You're going to need a verified number, which you're going to have to do under the Trust Center. And this could take a couple weeks to go to the Trust Center and start registering your campaign. And you're like, well, I'm not going to be sending text messages to people. You probably are, as you do reminders, appointments, so on and so forth. You'll probably want to use at least the basic from that. After you finish that, jump on down here to integrations. Once you do integration, you're going to want to connect your Google account. This will allow you to start setting up calendars. It will connect your ad accounts, all of that type of stuff. If you have a company Facebook page, you're going to want to connect your Facebook here. This is where you're going to connect your Stripe account for your payments. If you have TikTok or LinkedIn or Slack, you can also connect those. And again, all those conversations are going to flow into the conversation tab and manage those as you do the contacts. After that, you're going to probably want a domain. If you hit add domain, you can do it manually, or it might be able to, if you're on a popular domain platform, it might automatically connect those for you. And then once you got that done, again, most people will come over here to contacts, and they will import in contacts. So all you're going to do is hit import. You're going to upload your contact file. We'll just grab this one. I don't know what's in it, but it sounds good. And this was going to give you names and stuff, and then you just match it up to fields that you have in your, hey, this is the name. Do I care about the source? No, I don't. This is actually going to be, yeah, if first name from this campaign here. And then you're going to say, don't import anything I don't have. Then you're just going to come here. Again, this is going to match. Again, you don't have anything in it because it's a brand new account. But you could do that. You could add a tag, import it on whatever date, and that will get your contacts in here. And once you have your contacts in here and your email set up, you'll be able to start emailing and texting out of here. This is the contact database here. We have the pipeline. So this is, again, if you need to change pipelines in bulk, text messages, emails, add, remove, review. These are some bulk actions you can do here. You also will find them in other places. Like if you want to do an email, you can come email, campaign, and you can load it from a template or new, and you're just going to come in here. And again, here is the generic ones. Again, you can search for other templates that you have. As time goes on, you'll probably get a lot. This is if you just want to paste the code in. Well, sometimes people get it from other sources that is more, they build like in Canva and export it, right? Or you can just come in here, the design editor. And under the design editor, again, this is where we just start. I mean, there's your text. Hey, I want my logo right there. And again, this is where you're going to start uploading your images and your logos. And let's go ahead and add my footer. You always probably want your footer on here. This is for spam purposes. I want a video. Let's go ahead and drop a video here. And you go again. When you do these things here, all this is where the image is. Here's your text, and then if you want to link somewhere, that's where we'll link to. Again, all your settings and stuff is in here. But to get you on board, the main thing is to come under settings. We want to do your business profile. You want to do your integrations and integrate everything you have there. And then you want to update your staff and your company. And that will get you started in here. And then again, if you want to build websites, you're going to come on to websites, email campaigns, you're going to come